Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're solving forensics, Git 1 from PicoCTF 2026, the sequel to Git 0. If you haven't watched that one yet, I'd recommend checking it out first since we build on those skills here. The challenge hint says, how can you check out the files of a previous commit? That's our big clue. The flag isn't sitting around waiting for us. It was added and then deliberately deleted. We need to travel back in time through Git history to find it. The setup is identical to Git 0, same disk structure, same partition layout. But the challenge is different. This time the hint is pointing us toward Git's ability to travel back in time. A file was created with a flag inside it, and then someone committed a deletion of that file. Our job is to recover the file from before it was deleted. This is a really important forensics and security concept. Deleting a file in Git does not erase it from history. Step 1 is exactly the same as Git 0. We gunzip the archive to get our raw disk image, then run the file command to confirm it's an MBR disk with 3 partitions. By now, this should feel familiar. Partition 1 is boot, partition 2 is swap, and partition 3 is our target, the main Linux file system where user data lives. We run fdisk to get the exact partition table. The layout is identical to Git 0, same disk identifier, same sector layout. This makes sense because these challenges are built on the same base image. We already know partition 1 is just boot files. Go straight to partition 3. We create a mount point called Git1 to keep things organized, then mount using the loop option with our calculated byte offset. Same find command as before, same location. The Git repository lives at /mt/git1/home/ctfplayer/code/secrets. The CTF player user has a code folder with a project called secrets. Let's navigate there and start the real investigation. This is where it gets really interesting. We run git log, 1 line, and see just 2 commits. The most recent one, at the top, says remove flag. The older one says add flag. The story is crystal clear. Someone added the flag in one commit, panicked, and deleted it in the very next commit. But here's what they didn't understand. Git never truly erases history. That flag file still exists inside the Git object database. We just need to retrieve it. Now, let's recover the flag with 2 methods. Method 1. One command searches every commit's changes for the flag pattern. grep searches for the PicoCTF flag format. Instantly, we see the flag appear twice. One with a plus sign, meaning it was added, and one with a minus sign, meaning it was removed. Both show the exact same flag string. The minus line is from the remove flag commit, and the plus line is from the add flag commit. Method 2 is the proper Git forensics approach, and exactly what the hint is guiding us toward. We use git checkout with the specific commit hash of add flag. This time travels our working directory back to that moment in history before the file was deleted. We can then list the files and read the flag directly. Now we can see that flag.txt contains our flag for this challenge. This method is cleaner and more useful when you need to explore many files from an older commit, not just grep for one string. Lessons learned is that Git history is permanent. Deleting a file in Git only removes it from the current working tree. The file's content is preserved in the Git object store forever. Only a force rebase or rewrite truly erases history. We've completed this lab. 2 challenges in, and we've learned how to mount disk images, navigate partition tables, and dig through Git history like a real forensic investigator. The series keeps going. Git 2 and beyond will introduce even more advanced techniques. If you're enjoying this series, hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Leave a comment if you want me to break down any particular step in more detail. See you in the next video. Keep hacking.